Hello and welcome back to another WINTERSUN reaction. Today I am going to listen to Sons of Winter and Stars. So this is a live version in the studio and this has been recommended, so yeah, I'm really curious to listen to it because since I've listened to the other WINTERSUN reaction that I did, the song, I really went into their previous albums and there are a lot, so I didn't listen to all of it and I kept some songs apart because those were requests, so I didn't listen to them even if I kind of wanted to. But yeah, I keep them for my reactions and today I'm going to listen to this one. So okay, I have to say I really love WINTERSUN already, and the fact that I love Nightwish and I wasn't aware that the members were also in Nightwish from WINTERSUN. So yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, I love that. Wow, okay. Wow, love that little guitar. His voice is really blowing my mind, honestly. It's wow. I don't even have the words. This was absolutely insane, incredible. Okay, when I started filming this, I was really cold, and now I'm really warm. So, I mean, okay, I know I didn't pause a lot during the video, because actually I was so into the song that I had so much to say, but I was really, listening to the song, and words didn't came to me. So, wow, I'm losing my words here. Okay, I rarely listen to, discover songs or bands that really hit me like that. You know, there's so much going on, and that's just everything I like about music. Is that it's not repetitive. It is. I don't know. I don't even know how to describe this. I mean, okay, the previous song I reacted to, there was no video. And that was the first song I actually listened to from them, and I had no idea who they were. And now that I actually know, and I see them play, and I know more of what they did, their history, of the band members, etc., it's giving a whole, I don't know, much more power to it, you know. But also musically, this is insane. There was a part, I don't know where exactly, but 3-4 minutes into it, I really got emotional. I don't know why. And okay, I didn't cry or anything, but like inside, I felt like, I don't know, I couldn't even explain. Like everything was so perfectly well done together, like in the harmony way of the music, you know, like the guitars and the drums, everything was so perfectly well aligned with his voice and their voices, because they sing together. But it's just, okay, that's the thing some people may say about metal music in general, because if they don't know about it, they will just say that it is noise. It is noise, it doesn't make sense, it's chaos, kind of. But I think this is just as in classical music. You have so many information, and I mean, there's not like in pop music, and I have nothing against pop music, but it's not my favorite thing to listen to. It's really simple to listen to. You know what I mean? It's like you have les couplets, le refrain, couplet, refrain, et voilà. But in metal music, in general, you have this chaos that kind of makes sense if you really listen to it. And I really felt this with this song. There's so much information, and it just makes something so great. I mean, it's pure music. That's music to me. That's WINTERSUN. I mean, this on a level of talent, and I don't know. I know that I said this a lot about Nightwish, and I'm not saying this because it's related by the band members or anything, but Nightwish also has this power of, I don't know, of amazing. And I feel like WINTERSUN does that too, but in a different way, because even if they're kind of related vibe, I can hear from Nightwish to WINTERSUN, it's not the same. And also the voice, for sure, because really different. But I don't know, it has kind of a similar emotional thing that it does to me. I don't know how to explain that. I'm talking a lot for nothing, I feel. But yeah, I don't know. It's just incredible. I'm so amazed that I feel like I don't even know where to begin. So yeah. And also another thing I wanted to say, because okay, this is the first time I hear about this song. And when I talk about like the musical chaos of all the instruments like being really insane and still making a very harmonious piece, I mean, Nightwish does that, but not really. I mean, feels a bit more organized than this. I mean, than this song, but there's another band that really does that to me, and it's actually the albums that I love the most from that band are actually instrumental. I love vocals, but it's really the instruments, talk to us in a way. You don't really need vocals to feel the song. So yeah, that's Spiritual Immigration from Persephone. And yeah, so that's also a band I really love, and they have that kind of vibe of there's so much going on in the music, but it just, makes sense. So yeah, that's the second band that really does that to me in that way. So absolutely insane. Yeah, I loved it. I love them. So thanks a lot for this recommendation. And if you have any others, then let me know in the comments and I will give it a listen. Anyway, thanks for watching and sorry for talking so much. I feel like I said a lot of nonsense, and also maybe because my English is bad, so it's kind of limited. I want to say a lot, but then I just can't, and I use really easy words for me because maybe I should do one in French one day and just subtitle that. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.